Patalo Fatupa, Iamal Tunolo, my Momai, Ilolata, Fifia. TV5, your happy channel, would like to welcome you to the premiere of season 2 of PO Mano'o, the only in-house trivia game show in Samoa. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, it's time to play PO Mano'o. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. I am joined by Team Black and Team Mountain Kids, your first competitors for season 2 of PO Mano'o. Ladies and gentlemen, as per usual, we're going to start off with team toss-up, and this is how it is played. Team or individual toss-up. This challenge is a race to the buzzer. The first individual or team to press the buzzer and answer correctly will be awarded 10 points. Whereas if they answer incorrectly, the opposing team will have the chance to steal for 5 points. Back to you, PO Mano'o host. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you play toss-up. First of all, team toss-up. Without wasting no time, your first question. Team Black, Team Mountain Kids, team toss-up. Question number 1. Where is the northernmost point on mainland Upolu? A. Malua. Quick to the buzzer. Quick to the buzzer. Team Mountain Kids, your answer. Falalupo. Falalupo is incorrect. I'm gonna have to pass it on to Team Black to steal for 5 points. Team Black, your answer? Yes, no problem. Where is the northernmost point on mainland Upolu? A. Malua, B. Faleula, C. Mulinu'u, or D. Solosolo? It's going. Mulinu'u is also incorrect. The actual answer for question number 1 is B. Faleula. Faleula is the northernmost point in mainland Upolu. Moving on to our second question. Question number 2. By land area, what is the smallest country in the world? The buzzers are on. By land area, what is the smallest country in the world? Team Mountain Kids, Team Black. Team Black. Question. Tutuila is incorrect.
Vatican City?
Vatican City is correct. Okay. Question number 3. Team toss-up. In the 1986 film Top Gun, what is the call sign or nickname of the character played by Tom Cruise? Team Black. Absolutely correct. 10 points for both teams. 10-10. We're standing at a standstill, ladies and gentlemen. Question number 4. Which fast food restaurant has a signature hamburger known as the Whopper? Mountain Kids.
Burger King?
Burger King is also correct. Very fast-paced this game. Okay, question number 5 is a special question. Whichever teams answer this question will get a special reward from Digicel themselves. You are awarded with a 20 tala credit voucher from Digicel. Without wasting no time, who is the current Prime Minister of Australia? Mountain Kids.
Scott Morrison.
Scott Morrison is incorrect. Team Black? To steal for 5 points. Who is the current Prime Minister of Australia? It's going. Gone. When I went to school, it was Anthony Albanese. Anthony Albanese is the Prime Minister of Australia. Because no one won the Digicel voucher, it's going to be awarded to the 6th question. Arsenal FC is a professional football club based in what country? Team Black.
England.
England is correct. Point going by way of Team Black. Our next question. Complete the next 4 words of this children's song. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Team Mountain Kids.
Eating sugar, no papa.
Absolutely correct. Our next question. An anagram is a word formed by rearranging the letters of a different word. Which day of the week is an anagram for the word dynamo? Which of the week, Team Mountain Kids?
Monday.
Monday is correct. Points again going by way of the left side. Team Mountain Kids. Our next question. By land area, what is the largest atoll island in Tokelau? By land area, what is the largest atoll island in Tokelau? Mountain Kids again. Wow.
Nukunono?
Nukunono is correct. The Mountain Kids is on the street. Our concluding question for Team Toss-Up. Very last question. It's a math question, ladies and gentlemen. What is 20% of 80? Team Black.
20.
20 is incorrect. Team Mountain Kids.
16.
16 is correct. Points again going by way of Mountain Kids. Okay, Team Black. Because you got question 6 correct, Arsenal FC is from England. I'd like to award you guys with your team voucher from Digicel. What a gift. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to move on to the next part of toss-up, which is individual toss-up. Hey, individual toss-up. We have the lovely Hillary and the handsome Hecker. Ladies and gentlemen, individual toss-up. Question number 1. Fiji's capital city, Suva, is on what island? We're talking about the island, Mountain Kids.
Nandi?
Nandi is incorrect. Team Black.
Can you repeat the question, please?
Fiji's capital city, Suva, is on what island?
Fiji.
Fiji is the country, but we need the island. And time, that is gone. No point is awarded to either team. The actual answer is VT level. The island is VT level. Thank you very much, Hillary and Hecker. We're gonna have our next individuals. It's a tight game, ladies and gentlemen. 1-on-1. We got Dana from Team Mountain Kids and Timu from Team Black. Your question, Dana and Timu, is what was the name of the teenage star of the 2003 film Freaky Friday? Mountain Kids.
Hillary Duck.
Almost correct, and you almost got points. Team Black to steal for 5 points. What was the name of the time? Unfortunately, no team is awarded with any points. So we're gonna have to ask for our next individuals. Okay, from Team Mountain Kids, we got Victor, and from Team Black, we got Ed. Ed and Victor, your question is: The Hobbit and Lord of the Rings take place in a fictional continent called what? Mountain Kids.
New Zealand.
New Zealand is incorrect. Team Black to steal for 5 points. London is also incorrect. Both teams is not awarded with any points. The actual answer is Middle Earth. Middle Earth is the continent where the fictional Lord of the Rings and Hobbit took place. Thank you very much. Our last individual toss-up. We're gonna pick out the strongest link from each team. All right. Hillary and Timu. Hillary and Timu, your question is, excluding tomatoes, what is the most consumed fruit in the world? Team Black.
Apple.
Apple is incorrect. Team Mountain Kids.
Can you repeat the question, please?
Excluding tomatoes, what is the most consumed fruit in the world?
Banana?
Banana is correct. 5 points going my way of Mountain Kids. That is the concluding of our first round. We're gonna move into a team challenge before our commercial break. Our first team challenge, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna play nga 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 nga. This is how it's played. It's time to play nga nga. The teams are given an item which they will hide amongst their members. Within their hand, it's up to the opposing team to guess which member and which hand the item is located within. This process is done vice versa. The team with the least amount of guesses to find the object is awarded with the point. It's time to play nga nga. Quick point update for our teams. Team Mountain Kids have 55 points and Team Black have 20 points. This is our object we'll be using to play nga nga. With that being said, Team Mountain Kids, they will have the honors to hide the object first. Victor?
Can we fully submerge?
Yeah, fully submerged. Okay, while Team Mountain Kids get busy, I'm gonna walk on over to Team Black and Malo Hacker. Okay guys, whenever you're ready, hands up. Team Black, your time has come to guess which hand has the object. Poker face, huh? Talk about Victor's poker face. That doesn't look sus at all. Hillary smile. Hillary, our first guess. Hillary's left hand, would you please Finally reveal nothing. One guess, gone. Team Black, your second guess. We've got some loud exhales coming from Miri to my left.
Is it my guess?
Yeah, anyone.
Hillary's right.
Hillary's right, coming right after you, Hillary. Hillary, your right hand, please. No object. Two guesses, gone. Team Black.
Victor's left.
Victor's left. Victor's left you. What a guy. Okay, three guesses gone. We have three hands left in the air. Team Black, you have still yet to find the object.
Hurry, I'm struggling.
We'll go with Victor's right.
Victor's right hand. No objects. No. We're down to our last contestant, Miri. Don't worry, you still have a chance to win 20 points from Nana.
We'll go for Mary's left.
Miri's left hand. Miri's left hand. There it is. After 5 guesses, we finally found the object. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, Miri. Team Black with 5 guesses. Let's see if Team Mountain Kids can do better. Over to Miri. Miri, wow. You got some real skills hiding stuff, huh? There it is. They are ready. They are ready for your guesses. Team Mountain Kids, the stage is yours.
I'll go for Ed's left.
Ed's left. Ed, your left hand, please. No object. No object in Ed's left hand. Ed still has one hand left.
Ed's right hand.
Ed's right hand. Ed, your right hand, please. Mountain Kids has won. 20 points being awarded by way of Mountain Kids. Don't worry, we'll be right back after this short commercial break. PO Mano'o, we'll be right back. Okay, guys. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Round 2 of PO Mano'o, window shopping. This is how window shopping is played. Window shopping. For window shopping, both teams are shown an item or product on screen. They are to guess how much the product or item actually costs. The closest guess without going over is awarded with 10 points. However, if both teams guess over the actual price, then the point is awarded to the closest guess. This is window shopping. Alright. We're gonna move on to our first product. Team Mountain Kids, are you ready?
Yes.
Team Black, are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do some window shopping. Your first item, ladies and gentlemen, it's a box of carry juice, 12 bottles, 1 liter, from by Lima. How much does it cost for a box of 12 bottles, or 12 1-liter bottles of carry juice? Wholesale price. We're talking wholesale price, ladies and gentlemen. 12 1-liter bottles from yours truly by Lima. That is time. Mountain Kid, your boards, please. $72. $72. What? $61. Crazy. The actual price for 12 1-liter bottles of carry juice is $60. Closest being Team Black, point going by Team Black. Ladies and gentlemen, our next item for window shopping is a JBL boombox, Bluetooth speaker from BSL, as you can see on the screen. JBL boombox, Bluetooth speaker from BSL. How much does this speaker cost? Quality sound from quality stores such as BSL. It's going. Time. It's time to show your boards. Team Black, $1,398. Team Mountain Kids, $1,400. The actual answer is $1,200. Closest being Team Black, point going by Team Black. Talk about the comeback. Talk about the comeback in the show. It happens in PO Mano'o. Your third item from Digicel, and no, it is not 10 Tawa credit from Digicel. It is Alcatel MiFi. An Alcatel MiFi from Digicel. How much would this cost? How much would an Alcatel MiFi from Digicel cost? Specific brand, specific shop. Digicel, Alcatel Wi-Fi. Time. Team Black, because you won our last question. Your answer is $99. Sure? $99 it is. And Team Mountain Kids, $69. The actual answer is $199. Closest being Team Black. Points again going by way of Team Black.
What's happening?
3 consecutive questions going by way of Team Black. Our next question. Fostex Textile Ink, 1 liter from BSL. Let me repeat that. Fostex Textile Ink from BSL. How much does this bottle of ink cost? 1 liter, shop being BSL. It costs more than $1. Time. Team Black, your boards once again. $35 from Team Black, Team Mountain Kids. $40 from Mountain Kids. The actual answer is $58. Point going my way on Team Mountain Kids. Your next window shopping. From Digicel, a DL3 Pro smartphone. DL3 Pro smartphone. How much does this cost? This is from Digicel. I see Team Black has already put down their pens. Mountain Kids, still contemplating on an answer. Time. Mountain Kids, your answer. $119. Team, $299. Now, if we were here last year, you'd probably get it right, but the actual answer is $249. Slightly less than Team Black's answer. Point going by way of Team Mountain Kids. Your concluding product for window shopping, ladies and gentlemen, is 12 bottles, 12 750 milliliter bottles from Vailima. Vailima Pure bottles.
Oh, from Lima.
12 Vailima Pure 750 milliliter bottles from Vailima. How much would this cost? I'm thinking, and it is time to reveal your answer, Team Mountain Kids. $76. Bold $81.20. The actual answer is $76.60. How about that? Team Mountain Kids awarded with the points. Okay, I'm here now with our first contestant from Team Mountain Kids. Victor, your word. Set. Victor is ready. Game face, Victor. Victor's word, his answer should be in Psalm 1. It is a Merfaitino. Victor's word is a Merfaitino and it is in Psalm 1. Your time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, Victor. Oh, what could that be?
Ato. Ia lava lava.
Oh, what could that be?
Ia lava lava. Ia lava lava. Ia faitanga. Snake. Just battles.
Oh! That's time! Right on. Thank you, Team Mountain Kids. Alright, we're gonna have Team Black on the stage for charades. Team Black, I'm joined here with Hecker. Hecker, your word. Hecker is ready. He is as ready as he's ever been. Hecker's word is Psalm 1. It is a Merfaitino. Answer should be in Psalm 1. Hecker, your time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sa malo.
Ooh.
Laupapo.
Oh! On the spot. That was quick. Ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't get any faster than that, Team Mountain Kids. Team Mountain Kids, your second charades player. Your word.
Come on, Nini.
You ready? Yeah. Okay, Miri is ready. Let's see if Mountain Kids can handle the heat. It's a Merfaitino and the word should be in Psalm 1. Merfaitino. Miri, 5, 4, 3, 2, time.
Alo, pau pau.
Oh my god! And if you didn't think you could get any faster than that, it just did. Ladies and gentlemen, 10 points again going my way of Mountain Kids. Okay, Team Black, your second charades contestant. Your word, Timu. Sweet. Timu is ready. Timu is ready. Timu's word is in Samoan. It is a male Faitino. Timu 5, 4, 3, 2, time.
Sar.
Awa.
Ipurawa.
Yes, again, all the words.
Tawawa.
Kaukuawa is the right word. Oh my days. Everyone's just getting points now. It's like Christmas because everyone's getting points. Ladies and gentlemen, our last contestant from Team Mountain Kids, Hillary, your word. Can you do that? Hillary can do that. Hillary is ready. Hillary's word is in English. It is a thing. Hillary's word is a thing, and in English, 5, 4, 3, 2, Hillary.
Phone.
Texting.
Mobile phone.
Phone.
What?
Mobile
Social video.
phone.
Really?
A tablet.
What?
Texting.
Texting?
Texting my girlfriend.
Texting people. Typing.
No, no
Typing.
speaking. No
Typing.
speaking, guys.
Posting.
Come on.
Posting social.
Almost there.
text.
Time. Hillary, would you do us the pleasure of announcing a word?
That was a text message.
Text message. Oh. Team Mountain Kids, you're one short from Charades. From Team Black. Team Black, your time to steal the round. Ed, your word is. Yep. Okay, Ed is ready. Ed, let's get the show on the road. 5, 4. It is an English word. It is a thing. English word. It is a thing. 3, 2, Ed.
Kampung. Kampung.
Record time. Make it faster. Bruce Lee, who? No, that's it from PO Mano'o. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be right back after this short commercial break. Ladies and gentlemen, before we progress into our round, I would just like to acknowledge our major sponsor, Digicel, fastest mobile network in Samoa, certified by Ookla, and also our associate sponsor, Coca-Cola, for sponsoring our beverages. And lastly, also Uso Rentals, ladies and gentlemen, for everyone that's watching from overseas, planning to come back to Samoa for a vacation or work, definitely check out the fleet. We're back in operations and we'll be happy to serve you. But with that out of the way, it's time to play PO Mano'o. Our next round, ladies and gentlemen, bad translations. And this is how it is played. Bad translations. For this challenge, it is another race to the buzzer. Teams are to use their comprehensive ability to make sense of the bad translation. The first team to buzz in and answer correctly is awarded with 10 points. Whereas if they do not answer correctly, the opposing team will have the chance to steal for 5 points. Teams are to get the answer perfect, no exceptions. Bad translations. Without further ado, your first bad translations. Both teams. Team Samoa finished 8th place in the gold medal count at the Ta'alonga Pacifica Laititi. Mountain Kids.
Pacific small games.
Pacific.
Pacific games.
No, I'm not gonna take that. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Team Black for the steal for 5 points. Ta'alonga Pacifica Laititi.
Commonwealth.
Commonwealth Youth Games.
Incorrect again. No team is awarded any points for this question. The actual answer is Pacific Mini Games. Pacific Mini Games, not Pacific Smaller Games. I apologize for that. Our second, bad translations. What is the full title of Chris Hemsworth's new movie involving Alofa?
Love and Thunder.
Love and Thunder is the correct answer. Thank you very much, Team Black. Question number 3. When thinking about hard times, one could reflect on the Samoan proverb, friends every day, but siblings on bad days. Team Black.
Almost body.
That is also correct. 10 points going by way of Team Black. Our next question. The new movie, Moli Tausanga, is a Toy Story spin-off, which tells us the story of Team Black.
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear. is not correct. And what the title of the movie? Victor.
Lightyear.
Lightyear is correct by way of Mountain Kids. Number 5. Justin Bieber and Kid Laroi had a hit with their new song Nofo.
Stay.
Stay is correct. 10 points won by way of Mountain Kids. Our concluding question for bad translations, ladies and gentlemen. To express how connected we all are, one could use the proverb, when it is felt toward the sea, it is felt towards the land. The buzzers are there for pressing. When it is felt towards the sea, it is felt towards the land. The Mountain Kids.
Oh, langon na lumasan, may langon na liit.
I'm sorry, Victor, but that was the incorrect answer. Team Black won the steal. Concluding question, 5 points. When it is felt toward the sea, it is felt toward the land. Can you repeat that? That is also incorrect. I apologize. Both teams got it wrong. The actual answer is Longotai or Longouta. Longotai or Longouta. That is the conclusion for round 4 bad translations. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the conclusion of PO Mano'o, our final round, lightning round. With our first team, Team Mountain Kids. It's great having you, Victor, Miri, Hillary.
Thank you, Ted.
Thank you for having us.
Team Mountain Kids, your spokesperson is Hillary. I will be registering answer from Hillary alone. You are able to help her in any way you can, but saving the time, we're gonna start with lightning round, PO Mano'o. Hillary, are you ready?
Yes.
First question, is Samoa a Commonwealth country?
Yes.
True or false? Invertebrates have a backbone.
True.
What is the capital of New Caledonia?
Babetsi.
Does Vanuatu have white on their national flag?
Yes.
Can the New Zealand kiwi bird fly?
No.
True or false? Pigs do not have sweat glands, therefore they do not sweat.
True.
Which Harry Potter cast member is older, Daniel Radcliffe or Emma Watson?
Emma Watson.
In what country is the Great Barrier Reef located?
Fiji.
What is the name of the musical artist who sings the song Watermelon Sugar?
Harry Styles.
Harry Styles.
Which city does Superman live in?
Metropolitan.
What game show does Steve Harvey host?
The Family Feud.
How old do you have to be to enter the Hunger Games drawing?
12.
What is the scientific name of the process where plants prepare their food by converting?
Photosynthesis.
Which New Zealand island has the largest population? North or South Island?
South Island.
South Island is your last question answered. That is it from Team Mountain Kids. We'll be right back with Team Black. And to my left side, we have Team Black here for their goal at the lightning round. PO Mano'o, ladies and gentlemen. Spokesperson for Team Black is Timu. Timu, lovely to have you today, my man. Edgar, Ed. Great to have you guys. We're gonna start with our lightning round. Timu, are you ready?
Ready.
First question. Is Samoa a Commonwealth country?
True.
True or false? Invertebrates have a backbone.
False.
What is the capital of New Caledonia?
Pass.
Does Vanuatu have white on their national flag?
False.
Can the New Zealand kiwi bird fly?
False.
True or false? Pigs do not have sweat glands, therefore they do not sweat.
True.
Which Harry Potter cast member is older, Daniel Radcliffe or Emma Watson?
Emma Watson.
In what country is the Great Barrier Reef located?
Australia.
What is the name of the musical artist who sings the song Watermelon Sugar?
Harry Styles.
Which city does Superman live in?
Metropolis.
What game show does Steve Harvey host?
Pass.
How old do you have to be to enter the Hunger Games drawing?
No age limit.
What is the scientific name of the process where plants prepare their food by converting sunlight?
Photosynthesis.
Which New Zealand island has the larger population, north or south?
North.
Thank you. That is time, Team Black. Great run and lightning round. We'll be right back with both teams on the stand. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the conclusion of PO Mano'o first episode. Team Black to my right, Team Mountain Kids to my left. Ladies and gentlemen, here is your points. Question number 1, is Samoa a Commonwealth country? Team Mountain said yes, Team Black said yes. The answer is yes. Question number 2. True or false? Invertebrates have a backbone. Mountain said true. Black said false. The answer is false. Question number 3. What is the capital of New Caledonia? Mountain said Papaete and Black passed. The answer is Nomel. The answer is Nomel. Number 4. Does Vanuatu have a white on their national flag? Mountain said yes. Black said no. The answer is no. Question number 5. Can the New Zealand kiwi bird fly? Mountain said no. Black said no. The answer is no. Number 6. True or false? Pigs do not have sweat glands, therefore they do not sweat. Mountain said true. Black said true. The answer is true. Which Harry Potter cast member is older? Mountain and Black both said Emma Watson, but the answer is Daniel Radcliffe, who is 1 year older than Emma Watson. Number 8. In what country is the Great Barrier Reef located? Mountain said Fiji. Black said Australia. The answer is Australia. Number 9. What is the name of the musical artist who sings the song Watermelon Sugar? Both teams answered Harry Styles. The answer is Harry Styles. Number 10. Which city does Superman live in? Mountain said Metropolitan and Black said Metropolis. The answer is Metropolis. Number 11. What game show does Steve Harvey host? Mountain said Family Feud. Black said pass. The answer is Family Feud. Number 12. How old do you have to be to enter the Hunger Games drawing? Mountain said 12. Black said no age. The answer is 12. What is the scientific name of the process where plants prepare their food by converting sunlight? Both teams answered photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the answer. Number 14. Which New Zealand island has the larger population? North or South Island? Mountain answered South. Black answered North. The answer is North. Close game, ladies and gentlemen. Your final point update. Team Mountain Kids, your score is 210 points. Team Black, your score is 200 points. 10-point difference. One answer makes all the difference in PO Mano'o, ladies and gentlemen. Our team Mountain Kids is going to progress into the next round, but that doesn't mean we won't be seeing Team Black again. The best 4-point losing teams will progress to the next round. There's still chance for us seeing Team Black again on TV for PO Mano'o, but without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, that is us from PO Mano'o, TV5, your happy channel. Keep it locked. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Hi there, ladies and gentlemen, this is Lewa Teleta Mati and you are watching TV5's YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to never miss out on any amazing and fun content here on TV5. Other than that, you can click on this left box here to watch more episodes of PO Mano'o, or down here to take you straight to our YouTube channel to check out more content. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching.